Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. The Peter Tosh Music Festival returns for the second staging at the Peter Tosh Museum, located at the Pulse Center in Kingston. The event takes place October 19 to 22 and is set to coincide with Peter's birthday celebration on October 19. Musical performances will come from Andrew Tosh, Marcia Griffiths, Freddie McGregor, Luciano, Ikea, Nadine Sutherland and many more. The first ever Peter Tosh Awards will also happen during the period where individuals will be recognized for their contribution to furthering the goals of Peter's activism during his life and career. 3 awards will be bestowed during the ceremony: the Peter Tosh Equal Rights Award, the Peter Tosh Stepping Razor Award, and the Peter Tosh Legalize It Award. 18 finalists will this weekend vie for the coveted title of Miss Jamaica World 2017. The coronation takes place on Saturday at the National Indoor Sports Centre. This year's winner will represent the country at the international final, scheduled to take place at the Crown of Beauty Theatre in China on November 18. The entertainment package for Miss Jamaica World competition includes performances from Romain Virgo and Nesbeth.
Right now, me nah no worries. Gotta deal with everything. Gotta deal with everything.
Billboard ready? Or so the fans say. The song No Worries by dancehall First Lady D'Angel and Queen of the Stage Spice has been getting rave reviews about the song since its release early this year. D'Angel tells us more.
World song, and the world needed this awakening, especially from 2 female artists. And when I did my research, it has never happened from 2 top female artists in the history of dancehall. So me and Spice right now is creating history and breaking barriers while we're doing it with our music, and it's a really good look. It's very refreshing for people. I mean, you know, overall, people that doesn't even listen dancehall music right now is playing No Worries. It's everybody's ringtone, man, woman and child.
The song's music video, which was uploaded on YouTube on September 10, is now trending at number 6. The strong artist further explained how the success of the song has been affecting the course of her career.
Absolutely, No Worries right now is the world's anthem. I used to say it's a female's anthem, but the man them start attack me now, literally on social media, and saying D'Angel, it's not just female anthem. A lot of people are getting to know D'Angel now. I'm not going to toot my own horns and saying that the whole world know me. No, you have some people that has never listened to my music, has never heard me, but they hear the song because the fan base, Spice has a wide fan base, D'Angel has a wide fan base, so all that merging together, people getting to know who I am in different territories, and no, it's a blessing, and I'm ready to travel the world.
D'Angel is to be awarded at the 5th annual staging of the Image Entertainment Distinction IED Awards in Brooklyn, New York on September 30.
I'm awarded, you know, the Female of All Times award that has definitely contributed positively with my music and healed a lot of women all across the world with my music. So I am the co-recipient of that award, IED Award.
On the international scene, the 5 remaining members of the group Linkin Park will reunite for the first time on stage since the passing of Chester Bennington. Linkin Park will pay tribute to their late bandmate at the Hollywood Bowl in Los Angeles on October 27. Funds from the concert will go to the Music for Relief's One More Light Fund in memory of the singer. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.